A railing is made with posts, top and bottom rails, and pickets or glass. Our pieces of railing are 18 feet long. Use a maximum span of 6 feet between posts. Positioning the posts. The base of posts should be installed 2 inches from the edge of the bullnose. It's important to add some wood onto your frame so that your screws bite into the blocking and the posts are really strong. It's important to divide evenly the spans of your railing. An 11-foot length would have to be divided with 2 sections of 5.5 feet. We want at least 2 of the 4 screws to be into the joist to give it a really strong hold. Cut the rails with a skill saw or a miter saw. Do not use a grinder. Use composite shims to get your post vertical, and make sure you center the railing between the posts. There are 3 kinds of posts for stair railing: top, middle, and bottom. The distance between the edge of the bullnose and the post plate is still 2 inches. The post with the higher hole is the bottom post. The post with the lower hole is the top post. Install both posts. Take the stair railing and clamp it to the posts. Adjust to have the pickets vertical and centered between the posts. Mark the railing where the posts are. And cut it with the miter saw. Unscrew the post and insert the railing into the holes. Screw the railing in the posts. Use a touch-up pen to follow up the whole railing.